In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in a Glide app in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Glide apps. This fantastic tool enables you to create powerful, data-driven mobile applications with ease. Once you've searched for Glide apps, navigate to their official website by clicking on the link that appears. After you're on the Glide apps site, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials to access your Glide dashboard. If you're new to Glide, you'll need to follow their straightforward sign-up process. Don't worry, creating an account is quick and simple. Once you've logged in, you'll have the option to either create a new app or work with an existing one. For the purposes of this tutorial, you can choose whichever option suits your needs. If you're starting from scratch, Glide provides a helpful template to get you going. If you're enhancing an existing app, we'll seamlessly integrate a video into it. With your app open, direct your attention to the Components panel, typically found at the side. Look for the plus icon, which allows you to add new components to your app. Click on this icon and select the Video option from the menu that appears. This action will integrate a video component into your project, setting the stage for adding multimedia content. Next, focus on the right sidebar of your Glide interface, where you'll see various tabs. Click on the General tab, where you'll find data settings related to your video. In this section, you need to provide a link to your video. This link can come from any popular video streaming site, such as YouTube or Vimeo. Just copy the video URL and paste it into the designated field. This step is crucial, as it tells your Glide app where to pull the video content from. Now let's take a moment to explore the options for your video component. Here, you're provided with several customization choices. You can adjust the aspect ratio of the video to fit your app's layout perfectly. You also have the option to enable saving progress, which allows users to continue watching where they left off, as well as whether to show or hide playback controls. Finally, an important step you don't want to miss: make sure to publish your changes. Glide makes this simple with a clear Publish button. Once clicked, your app, complete with the newly added video, will be live and ready for users to enjoy. And that's it. Adding a video to your Glide app is as easy as those few steps. With the power of multimedia, you can enhance your app's user experience significantly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy app building!